everybody. I'm here on the subway going to Coney Island today. On this Sunday, Easter. I hope I get there before sunset, people. So you can join my live streaming from there. If I don't do a live stream, I'm going to do a video from Coney Island. I want everybody to enjoy it tonight. Okay? It's a sunny day today. The weather is beautiful outside. It's kind of cold, but it's beautiful. I think the temperature is about 50 degrees, something like that. All right? So, people, join me soon. I'm gonna do a video from Coney Island tonight. Bye bye. Take care. Salama.